Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to recreate a look I used to do back in the day when I first started doing my makeup heavy. I say about my freshman year in college, I had this go-to look. I mean, it was the standard foundation, concealer. I used to bake to death. Back then, I used to take baking really serious. I used to like bake for like a whole 30 minutes. I used to do it for too long, seriously. And yeah, I used to bake, and then I didn't do any contour. And I think I don't even know if I did highlight. I don't even think I did highlight. I probably used bronzer instead, but no highlight. And I had this lip combo. It was a purple lip that we wore every day. I mean, it don't matter what we had on. We had on orange, and we still wore this purple lip combo. But it was bomb. We loved it. I mean, still to this day, I think it's, it's kind of bomb, but we got over it. It's like ran through now. But it was this pink NYX liquid. And then we came back with the darker purple, and it was just like the bomb. When I tell you it was the bomb.com back then, I mean, we loved it, like period. Like we loved it for real. Like, I mean, we wore this every day. Every time I went on campus, I had to have my lip combo. It was just like our go-to lip. For real, like I said, it didn't matter if we had on orange, blue, whatever, pink, like hot pink. It didn't matter. We was gonna pop up with this. Period. But yeah, let's get right on into it. And for this video, I'm gonna do my makeup exactly how I used to do it back then. So that means no contour. Yeah, I know, like what is a beat without a contour, right? But no contour. I'm gonna bake longer than usual. What else? The hell? Don't do that. But yeah, I'm gonna bake. One thing that I didn't do that I gotta leave out, and I'm glad I'm not going anywhere because I really need this stuff, is the Shine Killer, the primer. I wasn't hip to the primer. I started using this primer about like 3 years ago. When I first started doing my makeup, it had to be like 5 or 6 years ago. And I always wore my lashes. I always had lashes on. Even when I first started doing my makeup. Actually, before I started doing my makeup, I was into just eyebrows with lashes and probably like, some lip gloss. So I have to wear some lashes. They're so cute. I love them. Yeah, let's get right on into it. So, I gotta start off with my Nivea. I always use this Nivea. When I first started doing my makeup, I was using this Nivea. So I might as well go ahead and keep using it. One thing with this Nivea, you cannot like put too much, because I mean, this stuff is... Now, you know what? But yeah, this stuff is like really thick, so you don't need a lot at all. So next, after I moisturize, I think I went right into just applying a foundation. Like, I didn't set my face first. I didn't use any type of concealer first. I just went straight in. And I always use this as well. Like, I've never used another foundation. Maybe I should do a video on that, buying another foundation and using it. But I mean, I stick with what I know. Like, this is what I know how to use. I've been using this for years, so that's what I use. Maybe I should buy like some MAC or something, Okay, so now that I have my foundation on and ready to go, I'm going to jump on into my concealer. I'm not sure if I use the regular concealer like this or if I use the liquid concealer. I think I used the liquid. I hope I used the liquid. I think I did. I don't think I ever used... I don't know. I definitely used this. Back then, I used to put a lot. Like, when I say a lot, I used to go in with the concealer. Nope, I didn't even do the dot. I used to bring it all the way up. Right there. I don't even know how I used to blend this out. But I know the two things that I used to do differently was the concealer and the bacon. I don't know how I'm feeling this out. Jesus. Do you guys put a lot of concealer or do you put like just a little bit? I used to like show how I did my makeup on Snapchat. I used to do my makeup every day and just put it on Snapchat. So I used to film it, and then my current boyfriend, he messaged me on Snapchat under the video with the concealer. I just did my concealer, like I didn't blend it out or anything. I just had it on my face and I was like recording myself doing my makeup. And he was like, "You look like a tribe girl." And I was like, what does that mean? You look like a tribe. He tried to try me. That's what he tried to do. I don't really know. I don't really know now. Ooh, okay, that's harsh. That's too harsh. What do we do? Maybe once I bake it, it's going to like look a little, look better, I guess. I don't know. Let's see how this goes. But we're going to make this work. We're gonna make this work. Watch. So I didn't use this Maybelline setting powder or my Airspun setting powder. It was called Banana. It was called Banana powder. And I mean, that thing was really good. I have to get that again. Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna let this bake. And while I let this bake, I used to just jump right into my lashes. I didn't do any eyeshadow or anything back then. I'm still not really good at my eyeshadow. I try to do it for my videos because I want you guys to kind of like learn with me. You know what I'm saying? And I was also into darker eyebrows. I usually use a black pencil, but this is kind of better, so I'm gonna use this. So I'm just gonna take this black eyeshadow and just create a wing. So this is still baking. I'm gonna go ahead and let this bake a little bit more. I'm gonna apply my lashes. So my camera went dead. I already put on the lash, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking this setting powder off. And I feel like it's gonna be too bright. It's gonna be too light, too white. Let's go ahead and take it off. I don't know. This is kind of baby, this ain't it. But we gonna make it work. Y'all already know how it go on this boulevard. We gonna make it work, and that's that. It's like I look cute, but my makeup is just not right. Okay, so I know for a factual that I used to contour my nose, for sure. But I used to contour the heck out my nose. I used to go way up and way down. Yes. I'm gonna finesse this somehow. You know what? I actually started doing my makeup when I was in high school because I remember pictures of me having makeup on in high school, and for my graduation pictures, my senior pictures in high school, I did my makeup that day. I used to take my bronzer, I used to put it in the middle, and bring it up like this. And back then I used to bring this up way to the top. I used to always put a And also I wore a lot of blush on my cheeks. I used to put a lot of blush right here. And to set everything in, I always finish it off with my Fit Me powder foundation. Kind of like set everything in. And I think that's it for the face. When I look back at like pictures and stuff like that, my makeup, it doesn't look bad at all. How I used to do it. I wish I can go back and ask my old self, like all of the stuff she used to do and you know, stuff like that. And for my final touch, this was my signature little combo or whatever. My lipstick, the combo lipstick that I was telling you guys about. So I'm going to put my hair down and I'm going to come back and I'm going to show you guys how I used to do my lip combo. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my lip combo, and that will complete my look from back in the day. So like I told y'all, sometimes we trace our lips with this one or we wanted to trace with this one, but today I'm gonna, because I know I'm very familiar with tracing it with the darker one and then come back and put a little bit in the middle with the light. So like I said, we trace with this one. Look at that, so vibrant. This was our favorite. This is like the back in the day book for real. And then we got this one. So right in there. So y'all, this is the final look of back in the day. This is like reminding me of like when I first started getting into makeup. I don't know, like when I first started out college, when I first graduated high school. It's just bringing back so many memories. This lip combo, I think I'm gonna have to start back wearing it. But do you guys see this highlight though with that bronzer? Might have to start using that again too. This is giving me very much back in the day Brooke vibes. Like, you know, I might have to start back getting bougie on them, you know. But maybe I can bring this girl out sometime, you know. I'm so glad that I recreated this look because I honestly forgot how good it made me feel, how good this lipstick made me feel. This lipstick really do make me feel like popping. Yeah, I hope you guys try this lip combo. Again, it's the number 10 and number 6 if it focuses. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment and subscribe, hit that bell. Let me know what's good. Let me know what's really good. And yeah, you see these edges kind of laid today. I know y'all watched my other video and see how I messed myself up. But it looks late today. Don't even look. It's about to be 2020. Don't even focus on what happened last year. Let's leave all that negative energy and all that stuff. Let's leave it behind us. If you would like to see how I messed up my edges, I will put the video right here. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.